I'm Dr. Chandrasekhar Chavan, and I make the world's most expensive contact lenses. My wife was putting a diamond on the tooth, and I suddenly thought that why not put the diamond in the eyes? And that's how the journey started. We have 4 designs in soft gold contact lenses, and in diamonds, of course, it is customized as per the individual choice. We can even put some gemstones. We give these lenses as a protective device for military, army, sportsmen. So same technique, it will, even if you press on the lens, it will not touch on the cornea. That's the technology. Like the first one. Diamond looks really, money can't buy everything, but that smile on the customer's face, satisfaction, is what we earn.